So I'm going to take you guys with me as I get ready for Fashion Week. For my hair, I'm doing just a really simple low ponytail, just to pull it off my face. So I'm going to start with the Moroccanoil Protect Defense. I'm using that to protect my hair before I use any heat tools. Now I'm just going to use my straightener on any cowlicks and on the bottom of my hair just to make it really straight. And then through the roots, I'm going to use this KERASTASE VIP Volume in Powder. It's kind of like back combing spray a little bit. So I'm going to go like that. My hair looks so dark right now. I wonder if it's the lighting. And then just to give it a bit more texture, I'm going to use the IGK Beach Club spray. So I like to just hold up my roots and spray. This literally takes less than 5 minutes. Just pull it into a low, kind of loose textured ponytail, not too tight. And then I like to take a few pieces around the front and just bring them out. And that's literally it. Now I'm going to do my makeup, and I haven't decided what lip color I'm going to wear yet. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. And then I might put a red lip on. I think I'm going to wear a red puffer jacket, so it might look really cool or it might be a lot, I'm not sure. But I'll just quickly do my makeup right now, which is honestly not that different from what I normally do. This will be a little bit of a repetition. So I just put some Cetaphil moisturizer and then this Chanel Soleil de Tan illuminating fluid. It's kind of like a bronzy illuminating fluid. Put that all over my face. Jane Iredale PUREPRESSED base in Golden Glow. My skin is a little bit sensitive right now. I'm not like fully breaking out, but I can just see things starting. So I'm trying not to use that many new products right now. VITA LIBERATA TRYSTAL. This is a self-tanning bronzer. It's also a really nice bronzing actual color. So I just put that along my cheekbones and onto my cheeks. On my nose, jaw, and neck. Oh, these hoops are from BRONZEALLURE, by the way. I will link them below. And then I'm going to take just a fluffy eyeshadow brush with a bronzer and pull that across my lid just to warm my eyelid up a little bit. Then I'm going to use this NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. This is in Custard. And I'm going to use it to spot conceal too, just on my forehead a little bit. Before I do my mascara, I'm just going to set everything with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush powder in number 2, medium. I find it's helpful to set under your eyes with powder before you put mascara on. Powder kind of prevents your mascara from smudging into your concealer. Maybelline Total Temptation. This is my favorite new highlighter. A friend of mine told me about it when we were in Paris. I like couldn't stop staring at her highlighter and I was like, what are you wearing? And it was this, the BALM LOU-MANIZER. It's kind of a champagne-y color. It's maybe lighter than I would normally go for, but it's just such a pretty effect. And I put a little bit on the inner corner of my eyes too. Oh, I need to do my brows. Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brows. This is in Brigitte. I brush them straight up pretty much. Like full fluffy brows. Forgot about blush. Charlotte Tilbury First Love blush. Just kind of along and up my cheekbones. And on my nose. And I think I am going to do a red lipstick. So this is the Powder Puff Lippie in Group Love. So quite a bright red. That is it for makeup. I'm going to see how this lipstick looks with my outfit, and I'll show you guys my outfit as well and kind of what I'm using to accessorize. So this is the first look at everything together. I think that my lips need to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to add a darker color. I like the look of the slip with the puffer. These boots are not right. They're too high. I love these boots, but I think they look better with jeans over top. They're like these really cool Zara square toe boots. So I'm gonna get a different pair of boots on and I'll show you guys what it looks like. These are my trusty Stuart Weitzman. They're kitten heel too. I think they look better because there's a bit more leg showing. I do like the kind of high boot, but the other one was just too high. They're also really comfortable. So I think I'm gonna wear these ones. I'm actually gonna add in this NYX Powder Puff in Pop Quiz. It's dark, but it doesn't come out quite this dark. So I mixed these two colors together. They are the NYX Powder Puff in Pop Quiz and Group Love. Came out with something like this. Just slightly, oh, and I have red lipstick on my teeth. Always good to check on that before you leave the house. BRONZEALLURE earrings. This is a Missima necklace, Lizbeth, and this is RUMI from Rumi Neely. My puffer is Aritzia. Actually, the slip is Aritzia too. Stuart Weitzman boots. I can't remember what they're called. Klinger maybe? Oh, there's my dog bowl. My dog's bowl, not my dog bowl. And then my vintage Chanel from What Goes Around Comes Around. This is the whole look. So let me know what you guys think. If you liked this kind of fashion section as well. If you liked the whole get ready with me and kind of me talking through my thought process and kind of like changing out boots and stuff like that. I am off to, actually first I need to walk my dog and then I am off to the shows. Thanks for watching everybody and I'll see you next time.